Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create and train your own website chatbot. Let's get started. First, click on Create New Bot. You'll be prompted to select the problem you want your bot to solve. For this tutorial, choose Website Chatbot. Next, we'll select the ChatGPT component for our chatbot. This powerful tool will help us craft intelligent and engaging conversations. Start by writing a welcoming message for your visitors. Then, decide on the maximum number of messages or conversations you'd like your bot to have with each customer. Now, it's time to train your bot. Click Train Your Bot. You can train it on any URL, either a full website or a single page. Once you've made your selection, click Import and Train. This process might take a moment, so please be patient and don't close the window. Once your URL is fully crawled, click Train to complete the process. But wait, there's more. You can also train your bot by uploading files directly. Additionally, you can train your bot using content from a Google Sheet, although this option isn't available on the free plan. Finally, you can train your bot using FAQs. Start by creating a category. For instance, if you sell different products or offer various services, create a category for each one. Write a brief description for each category. Then, click on the category you created and start adding your Q&As. Once you're done, don't forget to click Save. This method is incredibly useful for long-term bot training. An important tip: if your bot doesn't know the answer to a specific customer's question, you can always add the answer later. This continuous learning will make your bot smarter and more efficient over time. And there you have it. You've successfully created and trained your website chatbot. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy chatting!